Onyx, you better get out there. Get the hell off of me. I'm not playing with you. You want to go back in timeout? You better. Ow! You scratched me again, you. Get. Onyx. You want my shoe to come off? Here it comes. You want it to come off? You want it? Do you want it? You want to pop out? Do you want the chancla? I'm not playing with you. You grab my chancla. Ooh! That's my good boy Batman. I need you bad. Didn't nobody tell you to steal my steak off the kitchen counter and eat it? That's why you in trouble. Oh, thief. You better be glad I let you off punishment today after what you did yesterday. A whole